What's up guys, Computer MD of Gilbert here, and today I'm going to teach you that you could build a PC for $500 or less. So without further ado, let's get started and see how me, my brother, and my dad built this awesome PC. So building this PC was worth every step of the way, even the hard and bumpy steps that we did have to take. But besides that, this PC displays an awesome Rosewill Challenger steel case with a matte black finish that looks sleek in the room. Now, this case has all the ports, plugins, anything you need, including two little wire slots to run cables out of through the back of the PC. Now let's move into the inside of the PC and talk about the specs that are incredible. Okay, in this beast we have a Logisys 480 watt power supply, an Asrock 960 GM UG S3 FX motherboard, a Seagate Barracuda 1 terabyte hard drive, two 4GB DDR3 1600 Patriot RAM sticks, which equal 8 gigs total, MSI 8400 GS Nividia built graphics, AMD FX 4300 series clocked at 3.8 GHz processor, and it can be overclocked, and an Asus DVD drive / writer. We also have 3 internal fans that will cool the system down completely, which will make it never overheat, which is a plus when looking to buy a PC. Alright guys, that's what's inside the beast. You can see when we turn this PC on, it illuminates blue, and then it shines through the entire PC, which gives it that awesome look throughout the entire PC. So, this really appeals to viewers, people who are interested in buying this PC, because it gives it that extra look in a room and it makes it really stand out. So this appeals to a lot of people, including myself. I like the blue. You could even see it shines through, as I said, the whole PC looking through that other fan slot. Now, another cool feature is when you turn that power button on, you'll see there's a red blinking light that comes on, and that indicates that the hard drive is on and currently working. So that's a cool feature, so you always know that your hard drive is working, and you see it shut down as well. Okay guys, so when building this PC, we had a heavily debated topic, and that topic was over whether we should install a version of Windows, and if we did, whether it should be a trial period or a full version, and what Windows we should install. So we finally came to the conclusion that we would install a version of Windows, and we decided to install, as you could see starting up here, Windows 7. We decided to install the full version of Windows 7, which gives you guys an optimal experience on this PC, which also resonates with a lot of people because Windows 7 is the preferred operating system nowadays. Although Windows 8 is the newest version, people some reason prefer Windows 7 over Windows 8. Personally, I don't have a huge preference over it since I do not have a Windows 8 computer. But anyway, we did install Windows 7 on this PC for you guys, full version, and it is wiped clean with nothing on it, meaning we got it brand new, and whatever you want to install on it, you could install on it. So I'm just in the control panel messing around, showing you that there's just no users, nothing yet. And you can see the few programs we have over there on the left hand side of the monitor are Asrock operated programs, so you could maximize your Asrock motherboard experience with those programs, which I definitely encourage you to try out. You can also see libraries, documents, everything is empty for you, which is calling your name to install stuff on. So you guys definitely need to take advantage of that opportunity. Overall, the Windows 7 was a decision made by a few of us people building this PC, and I think it was a great one because it gives you guys the experience that you wanted. Alright guys, so as much as I would love to keep talking about Windows 7, I need to wrap this video up. So if you guys check out the link in the description, we are selling this PC for a great price that you could go get right now by checking the link in the description or clicking the annotation in the video provided. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video of how to buy a PC or build a PC, $500 or less. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more awesome tech content. And also don't forget to share this video and follow me on Twitter at WizofComputers if you enjoyed it. So I hope you guys like this PC, and I hope you go check it out on eBay because it could be yours fully, completely shipped to you right away if you go buy it right now. Alright guys, eBay, subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Twitter, and share this video. I'll see you next time.